we are not the body, we are not the mind, it doesn't fit so good. It's not easily understandable in the society that we are living right now, where everybody actually is identified so much with the creation of this and the creation of the identity that you want to express in this world.
Shi Heng Yi reminds us that the mind is like a garden. If you do not tend it, weeds will grow. But if you sow seeds of presence, patience, and peace, and if you water them daily with your breath, your focus, and your practice, then your mind becomes a sanctuary. A place not of chaos, but of clarity. Not of fear, but of freedom.
If literally what I refer to as I, if I would be my body, I would simply take the decision right now, body, just stop aging. I don't want you to age anymore. I don't want you to feel pain. I don't want my body to tell me that I'm hungry right now. Just stop the hunger. So raising this question, I feel like I cannot tell my body what to do, literally. So this body somehow has his own cycle and his own intelligence that my body is going through. Okay, this is now the body. And just as you said, literally, it is impossible to predict what is going to be the next thought that's going to pop up in my mind. But if I would be my mind, how come I cannot have an influence in what I am thinking next?
Many people want to control their mind so they can feel happy all the time. But happiness, like all emotions, is transient. The goal is not constant pleasure. The goal is equanimity, a state where you can remain grounded, whether you are praised or criticized, whether you win or lose, whether life gives you comfort or challenges. This form of control is subtle. It is the control of letting go of the illusion that you can control everything outside you, and instead turning within, where your only true freedom exists.
So first, take a white marble, not too low, so that you can still stand. If I want to move to a left gongbu, at the moment my spine is centered. It's exactly in the middle between both legs. Yeah, it's in the center. If I want to move the left leg, I move my weight onto the right leg. Yeah, spine still stays straight. So from here, just shift. Weight is on the right leg. Now the left foot, I turn. That is facing outwards. My weight is still here. And now with the right ball of the foot, it's the point where you're standing on. It's about here, this area here, somewhere around here. This is where all the weight is distributed here. So we are in marble. I shift the weight, I turn the leg, I push from the right foot up. Okay, so now I'm in Gongwu, my hip is turned. Now I want to return back to marble. So that means I shift the weight more on the left leg. The right foot turns to the front. I shift all the weight back and then I return. Same now. I want to go to the right gongbu. I shift the weight on the left leg. Right foot. Turn. Then left foot. Push straight and hip.
Feel your feet rooted into the earth. Allow your breath to deepen. Release thoughts of who you've been. Be present.
Weight on the right leg, left foot, turn to the front. Shift the weight. foot, turn back. And same, slowly, one, shift the weight, turn the foot, push the leg, turn the leg, shift the weight, turn the foot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Visualize each inhale filling your body with light and strength. With each exhale, release self-doubt, fear, and stagnation.
So Mabu, Gongbu, the stances in the beginning, to practice them separately just to build up some strength that you can afterwards take those positions and work with them. But now already when we are starting to try and connect the stances, so learning the transitions, it's a lot of work in detail, and it takes time, because right now I think it's almost, unless you have some experience already, it's almost impossible to make it correct. But a great part of all of these practices is learning by doing. You have the Mabu, you have the Gongbu, and now you always try to make the transitions. And if you want to know how those transitions are done, then you can always repeat and watch this video again, put it in slow motion, and then observe for yourself. But anyway, the best thing is you watch, you take examples from other people that can do it, and then you must do it as well. So, like promised yesterday, I'm going to share with you now a routine, very simple routine, because we're just adding one more new stance, which is called the crouching stance or the Pubu. But before we do so, we need to warm up the legs more. Okay. So here, feet about shoulder wide, arms, cross them. Down. And here, try and go low.
This is who you are now. Grounded, awakened, alive. Hold the energy of your new self with presence and pride. Feel the internal strength. Stillness is now active, alert, full. You are no longer becoming. You are embodying.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, I didn't miscount, but 18 was simply not enough. So again, this exercise, the legs, keep them straight. Don't bend the legs and try to go down. Legs are straight and you go down 36 times. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next exercise. Open pelvis, hip area, and everything around this ring. Try open up. And swing the legs. Swing the legs. Start slowly. 80 times. Go. 1.
Your core is your center of power. Nourish it. Trust it. Move from it. This awakens the Ming Men,
5.
gate of life, strengthens your lower back, and rebuilds your internal power.
8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Hip rotate. And other direction. So, okay, now we are starting to get into the new stance. Let me show you how we are getting into it, especially when in the beginning your flexibility is not good enough, if your hips are not open enough, if your ankles are not open enough, you will certainly have difficulties in this exercise or in this posture. But that's why we practice it to day by day increase our flexibility. It doesn't need to look like I do it. It just needs to feel better for yourself. Yeah, you must become better than you were yesterday. It's about your body. It's not about my body. Okay, from here, go around a little bit more than shoulder wide and just squat down. Yeah, the feet to the front, maybe slightly out. Use the elbows, push the knees outwards. So look here, all the way down and push the knees out. Yeah, you want to open this area, open this area, open this area. Okay, this is just the beginning. Let's stay here. 18. Now concentrate while I count you.
This movement activates chi flow from the earth to the heavens and balances the nervous system. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more aware.
8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then from here, now shift the weight on the right leg. Yeah? So I shift my weight on the right leg. So left foot, look, I can move it. I can move it. So the weight is here. Now you can use your hands to support on the ground if you cannot hold it. But this leg here, we bring it out straight. So right now you look how I'm standing. Yeah. The right foot is down. The left foot is on the heel. And you try to keep the balance. Okay, let's stay in this position 9 times only. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
This movement energizes the heart meridian, builds emotional resilience,
5,
and reminds you to live with compassion and courage.
7, and 8, 9. So then from here. Now in the beginning, I know it's hard. You need to learn to keep the balance, and so, but we still wanted me to show you. I show you. Now we shift the weight back to the other leg. Here. I stand up like it would be marble. I shift the weight on the left leg. Lift the heel up and start sink. So right now you have the other leg. And again from here, 18 up 9 times. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Body upright again. Foot down. Back to center.
In the end, the question of how much control we can have over our mind is answered not in words, but in presence. Each moment you are fully here, awake and aware, you are in control. Not by force, but by freedom. Not by dominance, but by understanding. And this, as Shi Heng Yi would say, is the beginning of true inner power, the kind that no one can give you and no one can take away.